Clinical trial technology platforms allow investigators to collect and analyze trial research, but for years, they have posed an expensive and time-consuming problem. Many sponsors use their own disparate systems. What has this meant to clinical investigators and their staff? They continually sacrifice precious time with their patients to enter data and log in and out of multiple technical systems. It is not uncommon for researchers working on several trials at once to log into different systems 70 to 80 times per day, with different usernames and passwords to track. The disconnect has become so tedious that over 40% of investigators never participate in another clinical trial after their first. Not only do we lose their talent, but we also lose access to all of the patients within their practices. Now, in the era of COVID-19, life sciences organizations around the world are reconsidering how they conduct clinical trials. The Cognizant Shared Investigator Platform, or CIP, supports a new site-first approach for streamlining this process. As the industry's first open SaaS-based clinical ecosystem, Cognizant CIP is the only platform that has been designed to keep sites and investigators at the center of the universe. Cognizant CIP is a single point of access, securely connecting investigators and sponsors to the trial platforms and tools they need, whether working from home or elsewhere. One place with a single sign-in across all CIP sponsors and all trials. Now users can access more than 75 different technologies on a single unified platform. Before, sites conformed to each sponsor's workflow, and they were all different. Now Cognizant CIP has brought the industry together to agree to common rules and workflows across all major sponsors. Information is stored and continuously updated, and best of all, Cognizant CIP is free to sites, and always will be. The era of disconnected, one-and-done clinical trial systems is over. From digitizing paper-based binders, harmonizing clinical documents and safety notifications, and supporting remote collaboration, Cognizant CIP can streamline operations and reach more eligible study participants. The result? Reduce administrative burden for investigators, which translates to faster time to market for new therapies and more time helping patients. With more than 100,000 users and 1,200 trials across 21,000 sites in 84 countries, Cognizant CIP is standing up for sites, and sites are standing with CIP.